So if you start employment for a new employer who has paid a recruitment company a fee to find you, then can that employer seek to recover that fee from you if you don't complete your probation or remain in employment? Well, the answer to this does very much depend on what has been agreed between you and the employer at the outset. They can include a term in their contracts that say that if you don't meet a certain criteria or stay employed for a certain period of time, then you would have to repay this. But in my experience, that's very unlikely to have happened. It's only really in situations where you might have been offered a fixed term contract, for example, that could be the case. Normally what happens with the arrangement between employers and recruitment consultants is that they have a window of time after the candidate has been placed where the recruitment company will agree to waive their fee to replace that person if they leave, or may give a refund for a partial of that fee during that time. So it may be that the employer has an arrangement with the recruitment company where they can recover it. And it's unlikely, in my view, that they would have a contractual right to recover that money from you. Now, they may very well make threats to you and they may say that you have to pay it, but unless they can show that you have a legal obligation to repay them, then you shouldn't pay them anything. And certainly ask them for information about it and to clarify how and what they're asserting in relation to this, to say that you owe them the money.